Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with towel damp hair and the vent brush in your dominant hand. First, release one clipped panel and hold it away from the scalp at a slight angle. This gives lift and airflow. Insert the vent brush at the roots and gently sweep toward the ends in one smooth motion to clear tangles and distribute product. Once done, rotate the brush slightly and repeat in the same panel until it moves freely, then clip it back and move to the next section. Continue by working the mid-lengths with short, controlled strokes to smooth and shape hair without overstretching strands. You should maintain light tension, just enough to guide hair, because excessive pulling causes breakage. If you plan to add heat, make sure a heat protectant is applied. Then use low to medium heat and let the vent design accelerate drying while you brush. Once done on a panel, check the direction and reshape the ends. For the final steps, release all sections and run the vent brush through each panel one last time. Lift at the roots for volume and brush down the lengths for a polished finish. Make sure to apply a small amount of oil or spray to tame flyaways only where needed. If you encounter snagging or resistance, stop immediately. Detangle that area with a wide-tooth comb, check the brush for debris or broken pins, and then resume gently so you don't damage hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.